question. Ano po, SP?
We're working on it. So we are sorting out issues with the NBI. Tatlong issue, no? The manner and the way that yung warrant was executed. So basically, sinasabi nila, may coordination sila sa former SP at pinapasok sila. But of course, we're saying, kahit pinapasok kayo, hindi para makipaghabulan sa loob ng Senate. The second issue nga is yung contempt, that the Senate has to stand up for itself. And dapat ma-hold in contempt. Ang pinag-uusapan lang, saan i-hold, considering na siyam sila at medyo fully booked din tayo. And then number 3, apparently iba yung report sa kanila, kasi ang report sa kanila, yung Osaa daw ang Brusco, rather than yung taga-Osaa na bugbog. So we're talking about fact-finding regarding that. So the senators are talking now. So as I said kanina, di ba, napaka-importante na level-headed tayong lahat, pero napaka-importante na klaro na wag niyong paglaruan yung Senado. I mean, you know, this is not tabing kanto na, you know, will make excuses and
May sinabi po ba sila?
no, they're held in contempt, so it's a matter of saan siya they will pull out the NBI, but I'm sure that they have to report to their higher ups regarding the if they will continue to serve or they will follow our suggestion, which is to get a warrant of arrest from a Philippine court.
Ayun, so ibig sabihin po, pero insistent ba sir yung NBI na makuha
Hindi,
si Senator
maganda
Bato?
naman yung usapan, pero may kasama ko si Senator Amy, Senator Mercoleta, Senator Villar, Senator Pia. May iba't ibang opinion talaga kaya humahaba That's why we have to decide ano yung mga ibibigay sa Committee on Rules and Committee on Public Order at alin yung i-decide tonight. Kasi nga, as you know, bumoto na yung House kanina.
What's the NBI stand on the arrest for Senator Bato?
That they were allowed daw to come into the Senate and allowed to arrest him here.
By whom, sir?
By Senator Soto.
So, and your decision, and what did you insist?
I told him we have Senate Resolution 44, and I told him ang stand namin is you have to get a court order, an arrest order from a Philippine court, and you have to allow Bato to exhaust his legal remedies, and after exhausting all of that, only then will we convince him to surrender.
And they will abide by that?
We're in the process of talking about that.
So may
But
stand
even if he says yes now, I am sure he has to report to his higher ups.
So there's a standoff?
Hindi pa naman kasi sabi nila they're willing to pull out tonight. So that doesn't mean they won't be back tomorrow.
So they will pull out tonight, si Senator Bato stays in the building.
Nag-uusap pa kami ni Senator Bato kung saan siya mas safe. Kasi nga kung dati speculation lang na baka habulin or hanapin siya. Ngayon, it's very clear.
If they pull out tonight, lilift niyo yung lockdown? Or naka-lockdown?
No, yung lockdown was only to prevent, actually, it's really just asking people not to leave para ma-identify natin. May picture nga pinakita sa akin Senator Villanueva na nagtanggal ng polo yung isang NBA agent para nga hindi siya makilala.
Pero identified na po ba? Identified na yung...
Nag-uusap na, so I have to thank the Chief PNP kasi pinadala niya kaagad si General Aberin, the head of NCRPO, to help us. So I put everyone in one room. So nandyan ngayon yung Osaa, nandyan si General Aberin, nandyan po si Director.
So yung ilan sir?
Siyam daw, siyam.
So yung siyam na yun ay nasa holding room na po?
Nandito pa sa loob ng Senate pero wala pa sa holding room. Kasi wala nga tayong holding room.
Cited in contempt na sila?
Hindi, basta ang sabi ni Osaa, hindi sila nakakalabas pa.
Okay.
So that's what I'm taking care of right now.
Pero...
They're held in contempt. So our question only is where we will detain them.
Okay,
So I'll report that back to you in a few minutes.
So practically detained na, sir. Detained na. Detained na.
Unless may nakalabas na.
Sir, so
Kasi
ongoing
na-identify
pa
pa
meeting
na.
with Matibag?
Yes.
Sir, may commotion na
Sir,
sa
labas.
labas. Meeting, sir.
With?
Matibag. Kunti...
Okay.
May meeting pa.
Yes. So inside the room is Director Matibag, General Aberin, and ang ating Osaa. Then standby din yung Secretariat for the
And what's there is they're insisting to arrest Senator Bato? Tama?
Hindi.
They're allowed to arrest. Yun yung sinasabi nila.
No. So three issues. Issue number 1, warrant of arrest. Dalawa issue namin. 1, bakit sa loob ng Senate? 2, the manner. So nag-explain sila but they will put it in writing. na they coordinated daw at pinayagan daw sila ng dating leadership. Pero sabi ko, kahit pinayagan kayo sa loob ng Senate, hindi man siguro kayo pinayagan makipaghabulan. So, yun yung ongoing.
So assured na walang arestuhan by tonight? Assured na walang
More or less, I just have to seal yung usapan. Okay. Number 2
Okay.
is that yung we explained that iba yung criminal, iba yung administrative. They can defend themselves na ini-issue na lang nila yung warrant. But from our point of view, pinipigilan nila siya mag-attend. And that's contempt. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng, hiwalay pa dyan yung, yung nasa revised penal code na yung parliamentary immunity or whatever other crime. Ang point namin, we're holding you contempt kasi pwede naman kayo umakyat eh. Pwede naman kayo magsabi sa SecGen, sa USAA na may inaaresto kayo. Hindi, nakipaghabulan kayo eh. Diba? Ang sinasabi nila, hindi naman sa session hall. Sabi namin, anywhere inside the Senate, it's the same. Pangatlong issue nga, that whoever ng bugbog, there's no place for that. They have to be punished. Doon naman agree kami pareho. Fact-finding na.
Sir, hiningan niyo ba ng paliwanag o hihingan niyo ng paliwanag si former Senate President Soto for allowing them to stay here?
It's fact-finding pa lang naman and it's all in the open. I mean, yun din naman ang sinabi nung dating USAA. Binasa ko naman kanina. So, kaya nga ang sinabi ko yung director, I don't want to be in between the he said, she said, he said, he said, he said, he said. So that's why isusulat na lang niya. That's why I'm also giving instructions sa sumulat.
Pero hihingan pa rin ng paliwanag si Senator Soto?
It's up to him. Diba? Kasi we're still fact-finding. But I am sure, hindi niya pinayagan makipaghabulan. Kung pinayagan niya na pumasok at dito mag-arrest, that's a separate issue. Any of the senators can confront him with that issue.
Sir, pag hindi
Kasi that never happened before.
Sir, pag hindi sa umalis ng NBI, sir, mag-stay din ba ang senators dito sa Senate?
I think we will find a solution. We have to find a solution. As I said, we're into 2 or 3 crises sabay-sabay, di ba? Sooner or later, dadating dito yung articles of impeachment. Do you want na ang pinag-uusapan pa rin natin si Sen Bato? Number 2, hindi ramdam ng lahat, but the delay in resolving the problem in Iran, Israel, and the U.S. conflict with Iran will continue to drive up prices. Diba? So it needs our immediate attention. I was reminded by the senators now, we have to fill up the committees.
And sir, yung articles of impeachment, iakit pa bukas? So,
I don't know. Ang trabaho lang namin is to receive it and then to act for it.
Pero
May communication
commitment
na
po
Wala,
na
so far, wala pang nagsasabi sa akin na may communication.
Pero kung matanggap po dito, definitely magko-convene kayo as impeachment court?
We were talking already with the minority. I told them, lahat na tayo magbasa ng rules. Kasi mayroong nag-opinion na kailangan muna ipasa yung rules. May nag-opinion ng dati naman, sinunod lang yung dating rules. So, yun ang meeting ko after matapos.
Pero definitely magko-convene as impeachment court. Pero definitely magko-convene as impeachment court. Pag natanggap yung article, sir.
We will follow the, there will be no delay. So the question is lang, what are the administrative processes that we have to do?
So that's a yes.
Even Senator Soto said, convene, pero hindi ibig sabihin trial kagad. Magkaiba yon kasi may mga kailangan i-issue. Okay?
Thank you.
Just be quick lang. Sinara po yung gate. So, ibig sabihin po ba, na isa kayo sa sasakyan yung siyam?
Na isa
Nasa
kayo,
vehicle po ba sa'yo? Dapat within the gate o within the building talaga?
sino?
Kasi po sa ngayon po nakasara po yung gate.
Yes, because
Bawal
nga,
lumabas yung mga vehicle.
because we haven't resolved saan sila i-custody. Once makalabas sila, tapos sabihin namin dito, Pasay City Jail, hahabulin pa namin. That's why we're trying to resolve it with level heads. Pero may emosyon talaga.
But they are not inside the NBI vehicles.
Yung
Yung pong siyam, yun ang contempt. Narito po ba sa building o naisakay po nila?
ang sabi lang sa akin ni Osaan, nandito pa. Pero in-identify pa daw nila lahat.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Paglabas niyo ulit. Nandito pa, baka namatay.